Okay, what we're going to do here is show you how to create a new sales process on Salesforce. So from the home page, navigate to Setup. Once that opens, in the left-hand side, you want to search for Sales Processes and just click Sales Processes there and then come across and click New. Now, once that comes up, you'll be able to add the new name. I'm just going to put that in Sales Process 2. Just as standard, you can see which pick list that it will come through for you. So we're just going to leave it as master and click save, and that'll bring up all of the standard stages that you've already got on Salesforce. So at the moment you can see the available values just as none. We're going to leave it as that. Click save there. In order to create a new sales process, obviously we need to add new stages. So again, if you click on setup, and just in the quick find box you want to go and search this time instead for the object manager. So from the object manager we want to scroll down here to opportunity. That'll open up the different fields and relationships you want for this. This is stage, because we're creating new stages for our new sales process. So you come here and click stage, and then it's simple as just scrolling down to these different pick list values. Here you want to click new, and if you want new stages for your new sales process, this is literally just what you do from here. So I'm just going to put it as stage 1, but you can put it as your type, whether or not it's open or whether it's been won or lost, as well as the probability and where you want it to be forecasted, whether or not it's pipeline or whether it's all closed, and you can put it into the sales forecast. So that'll be how simple as you do it, but you want to do the sales process too, and just add that and click save and new, and just repeat until you've got all the new stages.